Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to center an image in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Next, ensure your image layer is unlocked in the Layers panel. Then, select the entire canvas by pressing Ctrl+O on Windows or Command+O on a Mac. This action highlights the full area you want to center your image within. With your canvas selected, activate the Move tool from the toolbar on the left. Look at the Options bar at the top of your screen. You will see several alignment icons. Click the icon that represents Align Horizontal Centers. This action will instantly position your image perfectly in the middle from left to right. Now, to complete the centering process, click the Align Vertical Centers icon, also located in the Options bar next to the Horizontal Alignment option. Your image is now perfectly centered both horizontally and vertically on your canvas. Finally, deselect the canvas by pressing Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac. To quickly recap, remember to select your canvas, then choose the Move tool. Utilize the horizontal and vertical alignment options in the Options bar. This easy method ensures your image is perfectly centered every time. It is a fundamental skill that will save you time and effort in your Photoshop projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.